Okay, welcome back to the little inventory and tutorial and the activatable tutorial. I had quite some problems with my application Cam Studio where I did the screen capture videos, so I just switched to Active Presenter. My last video got corrupted, so I need to do this stuff again. But however, last time we did our little overlapping sphere, so we can see this test actor blah and stuff, and this time I want to implement the interface for every activatable there might be in your game. So for this one I want to create just a new folder, activatable, and inside this one I want to create a new blueprint interface. I call it activatable. So what we can do with an activatable, consider an activatable like an item or a door or some book you can read or whatever, but what they all have together, they have some kind of activation tooltip text you can display on screen. So for example, if we hit an item, it will show us on screen that we can pick it up. If it is a door, it will show us that we can open or close the door, whatever state the door might be, and so ever. So within an activatable, I add a new function up here, and I call it get activation tooltip text. So this function will return the text from out of an activatable object. So out tooltip, which is of kind text or string, whatever you might. Okay, so now I want to I can work with the test actor. Instead of that we show this actor name, we want that actor to implement the interface we just created. And for this one we go inside the test actor blueprint to the class settings, and under the section interfaces we want to add activatable. If we compile and save, we see now we have a new function from out of the interface visible. So let's get inside it and just say if we hit this test actor during our overlap event, it should return a text, I am a test actor, just for example. So if we compile and save that, and inside our third person character we can then do something specific. So if we overlap with something, we check if we hit if the hit actor is of type activatable. So in Blueprint we ask if an actor implements an interface of type activatable. If that's the case, we want to get activation tooltip text message. So, and for now we just want to print that on screen. Let's just test that. I am a test actor. So what we now have achieved is that we can do this with any kind of actor we place inside the world. The only thing we need to do is to add this interface to the actor we had just done. So for example, I create a new test actor which is an other actor and I just give it a sphere and a sphere collision so we can overlap with it. I attach the static mesh to the overlapping to the collision box. Make it a little bit smaller. So, and as I did with the test actor cube, I add this activatable interface, and here we have the same function again, and I call it I am a sphere actor or whatever. This is just for testing. We will use this in a much better way in the next part. But now when I place these objects inside the world, so here we have I am a test actor, and here we have I am a sphere actor. Okay, so next time we actually print our, instead of printing some debug messages, we want to print a text on our screen with the help of a widget we created for this. So take care guys, see you next time.